So in the next section, we have multiple choice type correct questions in which one or more options may be correct. This section goes from question number 47 to question number 51. Let us start with question number 47, which says that let a dash, b dash and c dash be three distinct points on the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals 1, where a is greater than b. That means it is a horizontal ellipse such that their corresponding points a, b, c on the auxiliary circle form an equilateral triangle. Then which of the following is are correct for the centroid alpha beta of the triangle a dash, b dash, c dash? So students, let us assume the coordinates of a dash as a cos theta, comma b sin theta, because these are the parametric coordinates of any point on the ellipse. Now, the triangle formed by the corresponding points on the auxiliary circle is an equilateral triangle. So the angle subtended by that particular triangle on the center of the circle or the center of the ellipse will be 2 pi by 3. So I can take b dash as directly a cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta and b sin 2 pi by 3 plus theta. Further, next point will be further having a phase difference of 2 pi by 3 or an angular difference of 2 pi by 3. C dash can be directly taken as a cos 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, that is 4 pi by 3 plus theta, comma b sin 4 pi by 3 plus theta. Students, what do we have to do now? We have to calculate alpha is equal to x coordinate of a dash plus b dash plus c dash by 3 and beta is equal to y coordinate of a dash plus y coordinate of b dash plus y coordinate of c dash divided by 3. Cos theta plus cos of 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus theta comes out to be 0. Same is the answer with sine formula. Sine of theta plus sine of 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus sine of 4 pi by 3 plus theta is equal to 0. Alpha equals to beta equals to 0. Option number A, option number C are correct. AC is the final answer. Okay. Let us move on to question number 48. Question 48 says that if the distance of any point x comma y from the origin defined as d is equal to maximum of modulus of x comma modulus of y, then the distance of the common point of the family of lines x into 1 plus lambda y plus 2 plus lambda equals 0, where lambda is a parameter, from the origin is greater than. Now students, in general the distance formula is under root of x square plus y square, where one point is origin and other point is x comma y. But here distance is given by some other formula, and the formula is maximum of modulus x comma modulus y. That means maximum of the abscissa and ordinate, whichever is the maximum, that will be the answer. I need the distance of common point of the family of lines. The family of lines can be rearranged as x plus 2 plus lambda times x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. That means we have to find the point of intersection of x plus 2 equals 0 and x plus y plus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 2 and y equals 1, which means the value of d will be maximum of modulus of minus 2 and modulus of 1, that will be 2. So d is equal to 2. I have to answer this d is greater than. So 2 is greater than 1 and 3 by 2. AB is the final answer. Okay. Let us move forward to question number 49. Question number 49 says that if function fx satisfies f of cot x plus 2 times f of minus cot x is equal to minus sine 2x for x belongs to 0 to pi, then we have to comment about the range and the odd even properties. So it is a very standard problem of replacement property of functions. Let us straight away start with the solution. We know that f of cot x plus 2f of minus cot x is equal to minus sine 2x. What do we have to do? We have to replace x by minus x. To get this will be converted into f of minus cot x. This will be converted into 2f of cot x, and this will be equal to sine 2x. Now solving these two equations, putting the value of f of minus cot 2x, I will get f of cot x plus this will be 2 times sine 2x minus 2f of cot x is equal to minus sine 2x. So this will be minus 4 plus 1, so 3f of cot x is equal to 3 sine 2x. I have cancelled the negative sign also. F of cot x is sine 2x and sine 2x can be written as 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, which is 2 cot x upon cot square x plus 1. So replacing cot x as x again, so f of x directly comes out to be equal to 2x upon x square plus 1. Very easy function. Obviously it is an odd function. This is correct. If it is odd, this is also correct. Range, let us talk about. We have to put it equal to y and then solve the quadratic equation and put d equal to 0. And form the quadratic equation and then put d greater than equal to 0. Fine. So from there you'll get the range of fx as minus 1 to 1. Option number A is also correct. If fx is going from minus 1 to 1, then obviously sin inverse fx has to go from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Option number B is wrong. ACD will be the final answer for this question. Okay. Let us move on to question number 50. Question number 50, which is based on the infinite series of tan inverse or cot inverse. It says that if cot inverse of 9 plus 2 by 9 plus cot inverse of 9 plus 6 by 9 plus cot inverse of 9 plus 12 by 9 plus cot inverse of 9 plus 20 by 9 up to infinity is equal to tan inverse p divided by q, where p and q are co-prime numbers to each other, then we have to cross check the options given. It is a multiple choice question, so we have to check all the options carefully. Cot inverse, first term can be written as 1 into 2 divided by 9. Cot inverse, second term can be written as 9 plus 2 into 3 divided by 9. Third term can be written as cot inverse 9 plus 3 into 4 divided by 9, and so on till infinity. Let it be S, okay? A series. S has the general term cot inverse 9 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 9. This will be the general term from n equals to 1 to infinity. So S will be equal to sigma n from 1 to infinity tan inverse 9 upon n into n plus 1 plus 81. Okay. So now we have to convert it into the form of tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So let us try to do that. Dividing by 81, I will get sigma from 1 to infinity. Dividing by 81, I will get 1 upon 9 whole divided by 1 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 81. And that can be written as sigma n from 1 to infinity tan inverse. Let us split the denominator as 1 plus, first term is n by 9, second term is n plus 1 by 9. The numerator can be written as a difference of two terms now, x minus y upon 1 plus xy. The format is ready. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse n upon 9. Sigma n from 1 to infinity. I have to place a bigger bracket over here also. So you know that this is a telescopic sum, tan inverse 2 by 9 minus tan inverse 1 by 9. Next term will be tan inverse 3 by 9 minus tan inverse 2 by 9. So term will get cancelled pairwise. I'll be left with two terms. One from the last, that is tan inverse infinity pi by 2, and one from the starting, tan inverse 9 upon n when n is equal to 1. So tan inverse 1 by 9. Students, pi by 2 minus tan inverse theta is cot inverse theta. And cot inverse 1 by 9 is straightforward tan inverse 9. So the whole story comes out to tan inverse 9, P is equal to 9, Q is equal to 1. P less than Q, wrong. P square plus Q square equal to 82, correct. Secant inverse of 2P by 9. 2P by 9 is 2, secant inverse 2 is cos inverse 1 by 2, and that is pi by 3 less than cosecant inverse 1, that is same as sine inverse 1 pi by 2. Correct. Cos inverse q square. Cos inverse q square is cos inverse 1, so that is 0. Sine inverse q square, sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2. 0 upon pi by 2. No worries. BCD is the correct answer for question number 50 over here. Okay. Let us move on to 51. Question number 51 says that if y equals mx plus c is a common tangent to the hyperbola x square minus 2y square equals 1 and the circle 3 into x square plus y square equals 2, then which of the following are correct? Students, a standard question of common tangents to two conics. First of all, let us write down the equation in standard formats. X square upon 1 minus y square upon 1 by 2 is equal to 1 and the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 2 by 3. C square is equal to a square m square minus b square is the relation for condition of tangency, and over here c square is equal to r square into m square plus 1 is the condition of tangency. So from both the values, c square is same, a square m square minus b square. A square is 1, m square minus b square is m square minus half, r square is 2 by 3 into m square plus 1. From here you will get the value of m square as 7 by 2. And because m square is 7 by 2, according to the options, A is wrong, B is correct. And if m square is 7 by 2, c square will be m square minus 1 by 2, that is 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 3. C square is equal to 3 according to the options. D is wrong, C is correct. BC is the final answer for this question, a very simple one. Okay, let us move on to next section.